Hey there guys, this is Jonathan from StarUV Tech Support, and today I'm going to cover a very commonly asked question. That question is, how do I put one of these vehicles on the lift safely? As you're going to see, once you get the vehicle in the air, the center of gravity can make it a little bit dangerous to work on if you aren't prepared. So for this quick tip, you're going to need a ratcheting strap and a vehicle lift. I'm going to place the vehicle onto the lift with the pads located under the frame in the front. You can see right here, there's the frame. I'm putting the pad underneath. In the rear, I'm going to put the pad underneath the trailing arm mount right here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, the one main thing that you want to keep in mind when positioning the pads is that you don't want to crush any wires between the lift and the frame. So I'm going to pay attention right here so that I don't crush the wiring that's right there. So I like to bring the lift up to make contact with the frame. Then I'm going to position my ratchet strap across the floor. Now, once you have the lift pads positioned, we're going to attach the ratchet strap under each of the front arms of the lift. You want to go under and then over, like this. Once you have the strap under both the front arms, I like to interlock my hooks like this. Now you're simply going to tighten the ratchet strap down across the floor like this. Now we can safely lift the vehicle without fear of it falling off. We do this on all the vehicles to prevent any weight from shifting when the vehicle is overhead. So hopefully this will give you some peace of mind when you're out there working in the service bay. If you're a technician, we hope that you'll subscribe to the channel for more technical support information, and that you'll hit the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know every time we've uploaded a video. We're trying to create a place where we can get this kind of information out to our technician base quickly. If you think of a topic we haven't covered yet, we'd love to hear about it down in the comments. Now y'all go have an awesome day, and we'll let you get back to work.